let's give my car a refresh because it is a mess. I don't know why I'm like this and I let it get this messy. So we're gonna get straight into it. Don't know about you guys, but I literally just like clean my car, stand in it, and it's literally a mess again. It's just not fair, is it? You clean it, you spend hours cleaning it, and it just gets like this. Like, come on. I'll also be linking all the products that I use in the description so you guys can go get them yourself. It supports me and it also will be helping you out as well. So it's a win-win. This just dampens the carpets a little bit and it also makes it smell like aftershave. And this is just to dampen it even more. I'll show you now what it looks like. You can kind of see how it's going to look when you hoover it. It gives like a darker look because it's a bit damp now. Always wet your car. Most recent purchase from TikTok shop. I'll find one to link down below for Amazon. Seen what I do for the carpets. I'll just speed run through it quickly and then we'll get on with the next job. So the next thing I got is this kind of leather upholstery cleaning for like this, and obviously leather, and I got it from TikTok shop. So we're just going to test it out and hope it doesn't melt my paintwork or anything, or melt my car away. We've also got another product to try. I'm excited to see how this goes, and we'll do like, I'll just do a line. What I'm going to do now is I'll do a before and after, and we'll see what it does. Wow, so to be honest, I've just put it on. That was not with it on, this is with it on, and you can tell it's got a nice dark touch to the, whatever this is called, like the plastic type thing. And yeah, it's looking good. So let's do the whole door. And I'm happy with it. Pretty cheap. I think it was like £6, and I'll link it down below for you guys. I'm sure they'll have one on Amazon. But it's a Chinese make. It took like, I ordered it 5 years ago and it's just come today, so I'm dead excited. To sort the streets out, I'm just going to go over it with this piece of paper and see what it does. With it on and without. To be honest, I can't tell the difference. I really can't. It smells really nice. It smells like cherry cola lip balm that you get from Claire's. So it's really nice. It smells nice. But I've only kind of seen it do something on the doors. So it does something. and it's £6. Thought I'd try it. If you want to get it, but I can't see much of a difference. So, next up is Cockpit Shine. You know I love this stuff. And then just to get all the dust off, we're going to just go over like this. And the final touch for the interior, Tropical Odour Eliminator.